Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jovou. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video are going to be titled my updated wash and go routine for my JHERI Curl. This is also going to be a hair update for those of you asking me for a hair update on my JHERI Curl. I haven't washed my hair since the day I got my butterfly locks off. That was on the 4th of March 2021, and I recorded this video on the 29th of March 2021. So guys, as you can see the length of my hair, I get questions like how long is your hair, what is the length of your hair. I hope you all can see the length of my hair. From the front it reaches my mouth, at the back you can see where it's big. Okay, so guys, for the past 3 weeks and 5 days I haven't given my hair a proper wash. My hair didn't have any sort of smell and there was no breakage too. So today I decided to have a proper wash for my hair to get it refreshed till the next time I have the chance to do it. Let's get right into it. So the first product I'm going to use is Glister Hair Wonder Natural Shampoo, then Glister Hair Wonder Hair Cream. I'll also make use of aloe vera floating gel. I don't really apply a lot of products in my hair. I don't really condition my hair. If you know any good conditioner, drop it down in the comment section. I will keep searching for a good conditioner for my hair and the one that works well. When I find it, I'll let you all know about it. So for now, I'll go in with the shampoo only to wash my hair. I apply a little of shampoo at first, then after detangling with my fingers, I'll go in with my big comb. You all can see from the root of my hair is due for another touch. My hair is 3 months since I JHERI curled it. You can see on the growth. I will also get hair growth products. I want my hair to be more fuller and longer and to grow my edges. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. After detangling with my fingers, I'll go in with my big comb. You guys can see the teeth of the comb. It's spaced a detangling comb. My hair can be packed to a ponytail, a little ponytail at least. You guys can see that means I can do up gel, I can do whichever. Once that is done, I'm going to apply shampoo again for the second time for a proper wash, and I will still go in to detangle my hair. You can see the curls are still popping. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn your post notification on. Now I'm giving my scalp a proper wash, like you have to like scrub it. Then after that, I'll rinse my hair with water. All can see my hair is due for another touch. My natural hair is coming out again, but you can see the coils are still popping. My hair is 3 months since I JHERI curled it. I love the fact that my coils still pop very well. Doing a JHERI curl doesn't stop your hair from growing. My hair still grows and it gets fuller, longer as time goes on. It all depends on the way you maintain your hair. Please don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe to my wonderful channel for more JHERI curl hair videos, skincare video tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel and pretty much other things you guys are not interested in, but I will still show you guys. Guys, I'm done with washing my hair and I use a towel to dry my hair and the curl still shows and my hair smells so good and refreshed. This is the amount of hair I love while it detangles my hair. This video is not sponsored. The next step, I'll go in with Blister Hair Wonder hair cream. It smells so good. One thing you guys should know about this hair shampoo and hair cream, I've been using it since 2017. It makes my hair soft, sometimes softer than it is. That's one reason why I don't wash my hair too often. I give my hair some time, probably like I did 3 weeks later I wash, or 2 weeks, because I naturally have soft hair and this shampoo and hair cream makes my hair softer than it is. So if you have strong hair and you don't know what you can use to make your hair soft, I think this is a way to go. This product is actually cool for you to use to get your hair soft, so yeah, that's it.
Say heavens.